Hi, I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaye, Dementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaye, Quezon the First. Baboy Karen Talanya is on my right ear, and then this is my ear at this day. They tends to slap my ear, of which is it is hurts. They is as well hurting me on their talking on my ear that I not want to talk about them, that I not want to hear their voice. Now they is copying my of what is my saying, of what I say. And then truthfulness, not I like to socialize to that baboy because of I could hear the voice on my ear, which is hurting myself. A while ago, while I am cooking this, Ronald Gonzalez Magnaye is on my ear. I not want themselves because they is killing me. Truthfulness is what I say. They is killing me. And then doble cara. When I say doble cara, I not want I truthfulness not socialize onto them. And then what they're doing is killing me. I am Connie Ann. Lover ko Alex ko. Year 2018, Ronald Gonzalez Magnaye tends to interfere on my relationship, killing myself. Oh, ayan na! Memory of myself year 2018. The right eye is anger. Year 2018, the vibes of Ronald Gonzalez Magnaye is anger. Because of the vibes on my right eye is no, he knows that of what will happen. Of which is he will be on a situation of disaster. I not know why. And then what he is doing, he is such as killing Alex Jr. ko na situation of not the word killing there is manipulation and the use of black magic. Wait, that is year 2018. Me and Alex Jr. ko is having a moment of such as loving, and yet he interferes. I will just eat. Buti na lang naalala ko. Me and Alex Jr. ko is talking on mind. Alex Jr. ko says, kailan ba kita makita para mag-date naman tayo para naman masaya. That is what Alex Jr. ko says, brown skin color. In English translation, when will myself you and me will be together? When will you and me will be together so that we could have date? That is what Alex Angiamentisa Jr. ko says, brown skin color. That moment on mind that has a corresponds or that is a memory of myself and Alex Jr. ko on President Diosdado Macapagal High School. Lover kaming dalawa since high school. Seatmate. Oh. Harassment is the person in this location, New Lower Bikutan. I not know that person. Killer day is. And then clingy. Now, I want to talk about then focus, wait lang. I will end my camera video, then I will talk on another camera video because my situation at the moment is they interfere.